Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to show you how I was working on these boho style wedding arrangements and give you 7 tips that you need to know when you're working on your floral arrangements. So first, prepare your flowers. What that includes taking plastic wrappers off, tearing the bottom leaves off, and cutting the ends at 45-degree angle, and then put them in the clean cold water. And now, while my flowers are having their fresh sip of water, I moved on to preparing pampas grass. And tip number 2, spray it with hairspray. You want to shake off all the loose pieces. Don't be afraid to lose volume. There's still enough, and you will actually fluff it more up and spray it with hairspray. Now, when choosing your floral mechanics, you have the option to work with chicken wire or floral foam. Now, when working with foam, you never want to submerge it into the water. Just let it slowly absorb the water. Tip number 4, secure with waterproof tape. After placing either your chicken wire or foam into the base, you want to make sure it's secured and it's not going to fall out. Tip number 5, 360 versus 180 view bouquets or arrangements. When you're creating table centerpieces where there will be people sitting all around and looking from different sides, keep that in mind. Make sure you don't have those bald spots or back sides, however you want to call it. Make sure you spin the arrangement as you're working on it. Also, it's beneficial to have a mirror next to you. That way you can check out the sides. Now, arrangements that will be up on a podium or against a table, wall, chairs, those are okay to have the back side. Just have enough greens or whatever you're using to cover the mechanics, and you don't have to fill in with all the flowers that you have in the front. Tip number 6, flowers of different height will add the 3D effect, and it will add that natural garden feel. And tip number 7, when working on bridal bouquet, do the spiral technique. That will add volume and it will hold naturally, where it will have movement and still hold together. When you're doing a bridal bouquet, you might want to have bride's bouquet a little different or bigger from bridesmaid, just to make that stand out. And as you can see, I'm wrapping the bouquet with green floral tape as I'm going to make it easier to hold it. Also, bonus tip, there are 2 different types of green floral tape. One is more stretchier that you would use on actual flowers, and the other one is waterproof that you want to use for foam to be stable and secured in the vase or whatever the tray you're using. And here is the final product, bridal bouquet. As you can see, flowers are different height, and I think that 3D effect adds natural flow, natural feel. And I hope you like this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comments, or if you have some other ideas that you want me to try and show in the videos, welcome to drop that in the comments as well. And we will see you next time. Have a wonderful day.